नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम अमन है और आज हम जा रहे हैं श्री राम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैरीन साइंस। ये कॉलेज जो है ये दिल्ली के अंदर बामरोली गांव के अंदर है और इस कॉलेज के अंदर एसटीसीडब्ल्यू के कोर्स, फायर फाइटिंग रिलेटेड और जितने भी कोर्स मर्चेंट नेवी में या कार्गो शिप्स में या ऑयल टैंकर में या क्रूज लाइन के अंदर रिक्वायर होते हैं, वो सारे कोर्सेज यहाँ कराए जाते हैं। सो लेट्स गो टू दैट इंस्टीट्यूट एंड फाइंड आउट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फैसिलिटी दे प्रोवाइड, कितनी फीस है उनकी और कितना ड्यूरेशन लगता है इन कोर्सेज को कंप्लीट करने में। सो लेट्स गो देयर। जोगिंदर जी नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अमन है और आज मैं आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में आया हूँ एंड आई जस्ट वुड लाइक टू नो लिटिल बिट मोर अबाउट दिस इंस्टीट्यूट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू नो दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कोर्सेज आप प्रोवाइड करते हैं और उसकी ड्यूरेशन क्या क्या होती है एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली कितनी आप फीस चार्ज कर सकते हैं।
Okay, Aman Saab, good morning. Basically, this Shri Ram Institute of Marine Studies we started in 2003 with 2-3 courses, and in span of time, as of now, we have around 43 courses. We are now imparting training to the merchant navy, cruise navy, and port personnel, and even the person from the for the rig industry. These courses are all courses are approved by the Director General of Shipping, Minister of Shipping, Government of India, and the duration depends upon the nature of courses. We have courses for officers, courses for ratings, courses for the cruise personnel. So the duration of the courses varies. Especially when we are going to officers training, it is around 1 year training with us. Ratings does 6 months training, and people from the cruise industry, they are coming for 15 days basic safety training courses. And these courses, after that, they have their CDC and they are joining their vessels. As far as the fees is concerned, we charge reasonable fees in terms or against these courses. We give special discount to the female candidate, almost around 50% fees we charge from the female candidates.
Right, sir.
And we receive a huge response from all over India in all the courses of ratings, officers, cruise industry, from all. We have these courses. We have we have hostels and nearby PGs where these, especially those are coming for the small courses, they are accommodated there.
Right, sir.
Okay.
तो सर जैसे कि आपने बताया कि जो बाहर से कैंडिडेट आते हैं, हमारे आसपास काफ़ी सारे पीजी हैं, हॉस्टल हैं एंड दे कैन एक्चुअली हैव अकोमोडेट देमसेल्फ इन दोज पीजीज, सो विच इज़ रियली गुड सर। आई बीन अराउंड योर इंस्टीट्यूट इज़ ग्रेट। आपके पास बहुत सारा स्पेस है एंड आई हैव सीन योर प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग हैपनिंग, दोज आर रियली रियली इम्प्रेसिव। आपका जितना भी फैकल्टी स्टाफ है, आई हैव सीन दैट दे आर रियली गुड। तो सर I really would like to know a little bit more about your faculty staff. Though I have met them personally, that what kind of faculty you have and what is their past experience and on what basis they have been appointed in this institute to train all these youngsters.
Good. This is a good question. Actually, we have master mariners, those are from the Merchant Navy. We have officers from Indian Navy. Ratings means the instructors, they all are from Navy, they are retired personnel and they are competent of imparting effective training to all these cadets rating, especially the demonstrators, those are in firefighting and survival techniques where the risk of water, risk of fire is involved. We have the very good trainer and our all faculties are very well trained, experienced, competent and they are figure of the industry. They are they are very competent in their subjects and the assessment, their evaluations, questioning, classroom instructions. They commands on everything. That is why on passing out from this institute, our most of our students are joining a ship. The latest example is that if it goes to the placement of the cadets, as of now we have around 81% placement of our cadets. So this is a very big and very big thing for us and we are there to maintain it.
राइट सर, एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. जैसे कि आपने बताया कि आपके यहाँ से 81% इवन मोर देन दैट जितने भी यहाँ से कोर्स करते हैं दे आर एक्चुअली गेटिंग अ जॉब ऑन वेसल्स. एम आई राइट सर? सो नाउ सर, एज यू सेड कि आपके यहाँ कोर्स जो होता है वो 6 मंथ का होता है. 15 डेज मोस्टली आपका बेसिक सेफ्टी कोर्स है जो कि क्रूज लाइन्स के लिए हैं, विच इज़ कॉल्ड STCW कोर्स. जब हम बात करते हैं 6 मंथ का कोर्स या 1 ईयर का कोर्स, वो कोर्सेज इज इट ए पर्टिकुलर कोर्स फॉर द यंगस्टर दैट वो कोर्स अगर वो यहाँ से करते हैं आपके इंस्टीट्यूट से, लेट्स से somebody have done a +2 and he would like to join a merchant navy, so do you think your institute is the one where they can do these kind of courses and they can start their career with merchant navy?
Well, the courses, especially what we are doing, the general purpose rating course, it is a residential, regimental and disciplined course, duration of 6 months. For that, a student or a boy minimum qualification with the class 10th having 40% marks in English, 40% overall, and age for around 17.5 to 25 years can join. We give the rebate to the students of those are from ITIs and STSC, OBC, around 2 years relaxation is provided to them. So they can, and we ensure their onboard training also, and we have proper tie-ups with the shipping companies. Those are consuming our students after completion of their course. As far as 1 year course is concerned, that is our DNS course, Diploma in Nautical Science, which is purely under the affiliation of the Indian Maritime University and Director General of Shipping. So this course is conducted for 1 year and that is purely sponsored course, and after this course we send the boy for 18 months for the onboard training. After that he obtains his second mate competency certificate and becomes an officer. So this is for the decade 1 year, and after that he gets a degree also, BSc Nautical Science. So this is, and you know we have full arrangements of doing so, either onboard training, then there's joining on a ship, proper arrangements of their food, accommodation, hostel, training, ship visit and documents.
Right, sir. Sir, I think we have got a very great and good information about your institute. Especially जो सर ने बताया है कि 50% डिस्काउंट है गर्ल्स के लिए in case if they join this institute. I would say this is a great opportunity for the girls if they are looking for a career on seas. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
अभी हमने बात की है मिस्टर जोगिंदर सिंह, जो कि इस इंस्टीट्यूट के एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर हैं, एंड इनकी जो नॉलेज है, इनका जो डेडिकेशन है टुवर्ड्स दिस इंस्टीट्यूट, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली फिनोमिनल. नाउ लेट्स गो अराउंड एंड सी दिस इंस्टीट्यूट, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फैसिलिटीज दे हैव. हम इस वीडियो को कंटिन्यू करेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम, एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल शो यू अराउंड द इंस्टीट्यूट, एंड वी विल आल्सो मीट faculty and we'll find out what kind of training they are giving to these youngsters. Please do subscribe my channel, do like my video, share my video, and next time we will continue with the same topic. So see you next time.